Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian Dean from QuickSprout, and in this video I'm going to go over infographics and why they're so important for your content marketing campaign. So first, what is an infographic? Well, basically, it's a visual representation of a complex topic, usually supported by statistics. So here's an infographic as an example that Neil published at QuickSprout called "This is Your Brain on Visualization," and it takes a lot of complex information and statistics and puts it in a format that's very visual, which makes it more likely to be remembered. So for example, this statistic here, 50% of your brain is involved in visual processing. If you were to only read that as text, you would probably forget it. But this visualization that shows half of the brain makes it much more likely that you're going to remember the information. And it's the same for the entire infographic. So when you remember content like this, you're more likely to be convinced by it and you're more likely to remember it, which is obviously very important for whatever your content is about. So let me show you the difference between how text content and infographic content perform. So here is a post that I published called Google's 200 Ranking Factors. And as you can see, it's a text-based list of all the 200 ranking factors. And in general, it's performed well on social with 350 tweets and 195 Google Plus shares. But when I publish the same exact content as an infographic at entrepreneur.com, it performs significantly better with over 1,000 tweets and 292 Google Plus shares. Now, obviously, Entrepreneur has a lot more reach than my site, but it was also shared at a number of sites like Search Engine Journal, okay? And also there, it got over 1,000 tweets and 600 Google Plus shares. So obviously, the big difference between the performance and the content was the fact that this was very visual. So when people looked at it, it has a lot more visualization than my text-based piece of content, which was more of a blog post, okay? So the visual content definitely resonates more with people, which means that they're more likely to consume and share that content. Another reason to consider investing in infographics is because they're increasing in popularity. So if you head over to Google Trends and you put in anything about infographics, you'll notice that the trend line is going way up. So it started at about 2009, people started talking about them, and now you can see that the popularity is pretty much higher than ever this year, okay? And you can expect that to go up as more and more people consider infographics just a cornerstone of content marketing. Also, infographics tend to get shared a lot more often on social media compared to text-based content. And that's especially the case at Pinterest, which is the world's third largest social media site. But it's the case on any social network. If you go to Twitter search and you put in infographic, pretty much no matter what niche you're in, there's just gonna be a ton of infographics being shared because it's just a great way to share great content. And one of the most important benefits of infographic marketing is for SEO, because when people share your infographic on their site, they'll often link back to your site. So you may remember this infographic from earlier in the video. This is your brain on visualization. Using Google reverse image search, I was able to find 54 different sites that share this infographic and link back to QuickSprout. Now, if this content was in text format, of course this page would get some links, but it gets significantly more just by the nature of the fact that it's an infographic, which is very easy for people to embed and share on their website. And you can easily increase the odds that people share your infographic by using an embed code. So if you scroll down to the bottom of this infographic at QuickSprout or any infographic, you'll notice this box, which usually says embed this image on your site. And all this is an easy way for people to take the infographic and put it on their site. So all they have to do is copy the text here, head over to their WordPress or blog editor, paste it there, and the infographic is automatically displayed and it automatically links back to QuickSprout right here. And if you want people to share your infographic with an embed code, it's very, very easy. All you have to do is install a plugin in WordPress called Embed Code Generator. So head over to your WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins and click on Add New, and type in embed code and click on Search Plugins. And you'll see the first result is called Embed Code Generator, and you want to install and activate that. And now when you add a new post, which will actually display your infographic, and you scroll down to the bottom, You can see here it'll have an embed code generator, so you put the picture, so wherever the image is located on your site, where you want them to link, the title, the alt text, everything you want right here, and it'll create an embed code for you that you can put into the post. So that's all there is for infographic marketing. As you can see, it's a very, very effective way of helping your content spread and increasing your rank in search engines. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.